Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your Instagram account to business account, or you if you want to change it to personal account, that too I will show you. So for that you need to open your Instagram account, and after opening your Instagram account, just go to the three lines, and after clicking that, click settings and privacy. After that you need to click creators tools and controls. It may be for some of you guys it may be business tools and controls. For me it's creator tools, so just click it once. After that go down and you can see switch account type. Just click once, and from here you can switch to personal account, or if you want to business account, you can choose you can switch to business account as well. So do it according to your needs. So that's how you do it. So if this video helpful, then please click the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.